Unyaka ka-2025 bekuwunyaka omuhle kakhulu kumculi kaMaskandi uKhuzani Mpongose. Ufake ekhasini lakhe la-Facebook zonke izinto ezinhle ezenzeke empilweni yakhe ngo-2025. Bajabule kakhulu abalandeli ngokubona impumelelo yalo mculi nabo banikela ezinkundleni zokuxhumana bemhalalisela. Nangasekupheleni konyaka uzokhumbula ukuthi lo mculi ukhiphe i-album enza kahle ezinkundleni zokuxhumana.
I didn't know that one day I will receive the award internationally, not even Africa, internationally. So that means a lot to me, and it's now the time where we need to realize as Maskandi artists that we are no longer equal with other genres now in South Africa because we are topping the charts with our music, and now our work is all over the world.
Absolutely.
So I didn't know that one day it will happen, but it happened.
Sure.
I think it's because we believe on our culture, and we believe on delivering the message to people with our music.
Yes.
We are not just singing for people to dance, but we are singing for people to receive some message.